I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today because I'm going to be making some super easy 3-ingredient pumpkin cookies. These pumpkin cookies are so delicious and so versatile. You can add garnishes and decorations to the top. You can mix in nuts or chocolate chips or even raisins. You can change these cookies up and make them extra special and make them your very own. I'll be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. And now on with our recipe. I am super excited to show you how easy it is to make these wonderful, spicy pumpkin cookies. I can't believe these delicious cookies only take 3 ingredients. I have my egg in the bowl and now I'll add in my pumpkin and I'll add in my spice cake mix. These are the only ingredients we need for these wonderful cookies. I have my tray lined with parchment paper and I have sprayed my scoop. I'm going to make these cookies a nice size, so I'm using a larger scoop. When you spray it, it keeps it from sticking inside the scoop. If you don't have a scoop, that's okay. You can just take a big spoon and drop these onto the tray. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Now if you'd like at this time, you could sprinkle some pumpkin spice on the top. This will just add a little bit more flavor and color, but this is completely optional. And off we go to an oven preheated at 350 degrees. Our cookies just came out of the oven and they smell amazing. At this time, if you want, you can press a piece of candy corn right down into the top. It makes it extra special for the season. Make sure you let the cookies cool on the tray. I am so happy you're here. I had such a wonderful time making these super easy, super delicious pumpkin cookies. I cannot wait to have some for dessert after dinner tonight, and I cannot wait to share some with friends. I'm sure you'll really like this recipe if you give it a try. It's listed below so that you can easily find it and put it together yourselves. And don't forget to add your very own special touches. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.